Hello, and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things or where I keep the linky stuff. Notification bell because reasons. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Let's rock. It's August 1st, 2024. Oh, grape update, I guess. I think we're in trouble this year. Good or bad, I'm not sure yet. Let me get in there. Yeah. Yeah, we're in trouble. About 3, maybe 4 weeks. Wow. That's the other reason I made this. Make it a heck of a lot easier than trying to get them off of the string of vine. Yeah, we're in trouble. Last year we barely got anything because carpenter ants did a number on it. This vine is 30 years old and it's thriving. It has its good years and it has its bad years, of course, but yeah, it is loaded. About 3 weeks. Yeah, we're gonna have jelly this year. Just amazing. Love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. Yeah. Gonna be fun. They're still as green as the leaves, but man. Yeah, it's gonna be nice here. Lovey-dovey. Bat house. Help keep the bugs off it. And yes, they do live there. Oh, it's not just for show. Just simple hog fence. 4-inch hog fence. A couple 4x4s. Draped it over and told the vines where to grow. Just oh, this is nuts. This is beautiful nuts. Grapes, actually. As for the rest of the garden, I think next spring we're going to just cut it off, pull all those cinder blocks, let that go back to being yard, and draw a new border with it, shrink it down. Because it's more and more difficult for us to get down there to the garden, we went ahead and put the tomatoes and peppers up here. They're still cooking, basically. But the cherry tomatoes, you get about 3 or 4 of those every day. Those are just popping off left and right. But yeah, we had to move the garden. Those guys will be ready tomorrow. Yeah, we get about 3 or 4 every day. Nice. Even more nice, we don't have to walk 100 yards to do it, to go get them. So Yeah. This has been Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things or where to keep the linky stuff. Patreon, PayPal. Notification bell because reasons. Thank you for watching. I do thank you for your time. Bye.